afternoon, good evening, wherever you are watching me from. Thank you all so much for tuning in. So guys, I don't really get enough time today. Let me just speak pidgin. I want to break this thing very easy to every one of you. So my people, there is something that just happened to me about a few weeks ago. I want to share my experience, and I believe that you are going to learn something out of this video. I beg my people, make una listen to me. So about 2 weeks ago, I see message for my phone. Okay, when I see the message was talking about congratulations that I won iPhone worth 1,480 euro. I was like, how I gonna win iPhone? I don't order iPhone, or I don't do any game, you know, I don't play anything. So they said that I should click the link below to claim it. Then I clicked the link, oh my people. Then I saw where they write to claim this parcel you have to pay 5 euro to claim it. I was like, okay, 5 euro, no problem, there is no harm in trial. Then my credit card already, I store it on my phone. I just immediately, I remember I still have some change on my credit card, so I just click it, 5 euro, I do the payment. Then later they sent message, they said that I'm going to receive the parcel within 1 week. I was like, okay, no problem. Then I even hide it away from my husband. I did not even tell my husband self. So the next day my husband said, you know, my wife, I want to buy this thing, oh, because always I maybe the woman of the house now. I mean, why I they buy things online, everything. So I told my husband. My husband said, okay, he wants me to order something from him. I said, I don't have money again on my credit card though. So when my husband was coming back from work, my husband branched and paid 70 euro inside the card for me and in the poster. So immediately my husband called me and said, look, oh, I don't pay 70 euro enter. Oh. In case I come, then you just help me make the order. Make I tell you what thing I want. I was like, okay, no problem. So before my husband come back, you know, before I could finish everything, preparing food, everything, time can't go. I can't tell my husband, say, okay, no problem. Just tomorrow now, if you come back from work tomorrow, I could just do it for you. So that anything we want buy, just let me know, I will order them. Said, okay, oh. Then the next day, we were just sitting down in the parlor, watching TV, having fun. Then I picked my phone, and I say, okay, make I enter, now I begin come the search. My husband say, okay, you go to Zalando, get what I want buy. Because, you know, at times now, when somebody fit there for Facebook, network, or they bring different kind of things, like shoes, all these beautiful things, like television, you know, many things like that. So, I was like, okay, my husband already tell me what he want buy. We can't find out more. Then I want to do the payment. Then when I click payment, the thing rotates. Later it show me red. It says there is no money in your credit card. Choose another payment method. I was like, choose another payment method for waiting. Then I try it again. The same thing. It says there is no money on your credit card. Try another payment method. Then I tell my husband, I say, it came see, oh, I want pay money, oh, the thing no gree accept. They say money no day for the credit card. Then my husband say, I'm waiting. Money when you go pay for poster yesterday. I was like, see, Anna, don't try, and the thing no work. Then my husband say, you sure say don't get what you don't still do again for internet? You sure say don't get what you do again? I was like, hey, I remember, oh, yesterday, see what I see for my phone. No, they say I win iPhone worth 1,400 euro. They say make I pay 500, make I pay 5 euro. They will send that to me. My husband say, you see your life. They don't come on money for my card. They don't come on money for that card. You see, so immediately later, my husband went to poster. My husband said, okay, make it go control them for poster. If he be say they don't really come on money for inside the card, though. I was like, okay, now no problem. Immediately my husband just go, reach 20 minutes. Then my husband call me back. He say, you see your life. Always they tell you, not be everything when you see online, not be you go just they put your card all the time. They put card here, put card here, put card here. You see, they don't come on money. And this thing now what they do now, the thing is from US. They say now US now they for come on the money, not be for Italy here self. The paper they come make I bring and come for you. I was like, okay, no problem. So my husband come bring the paper. When my husband bring and come for me, can you imagine, guys? Immediately my husband paid that 70 euro inside my credit card, because that credit card I don't get am special for online in case I want to buy something online like Amazon, all those things like that. Now they always use. Immediately I control am. Guess what? That same day my husband paid that 70 euro. Now that very day, you don't even reach 20 minutes when they start to dey comot money. They comot all the whole money and leave only 2 euro, because they know say the card, you don't fit just empty card like that, zero. They can't leave only 2 euro plus the 5 euro when I first pay before. Now my husband come, my husband dey quarrel me, tell me say, you see, I no be everything when you go just see, you go just click. Network go just send something for you, say congratulations, you win this one. You play. How can you just imagine phone of 1,400 euro? They send that for you, say you win iPhone, make you pay 5 euro, they go send that for you. I say, me, I don't know now. Even my house address, everything we are there now. So we argued the thing. My husband said, be very careful, oh. This thing so now just eye opener. Now be this thing so. So we control the thing. The thing was coming from US. Now US now they for do me this thing so now. I know now some people will say, what if it's 70 euro? You know, happy saying that 70 euro said they look, guys, to get 70 euro is not easy. Like me now, I'm a wife, a mother. I do 4 hours work, sometimes 3 hours. To get 70 euro, it's not that easy. I know they do bad business for how many years when I don't dey here. I know they do bad thing. I suffer day here. I'm a responsible woman. I get children. They are looking up to me. I don't do bad business to earn money. To get 5 euro here is not easy as a genuine person, because there are so many of our African people now. If you come out now on the street, you will see some of them. They are there doing shoroti, standing in front of supermarkets, begging money. There are many of them who even do pocket pick safe. And if police catch you, your own is finished. You are going to prison. If care is not taken, because of 10 euro you stole on somebody's pocket, or even 5 euro, they might even deport you. Okay? So we have to be realistic here. That 70 euro is money. If you convert it to Nigerian money now, you will see how much is going to come out. That was just my pain. Even that day, I nearly shed tears. 70 euro. I know many people, you know, Yahoo are all over now. I don't really know how it happens. I don't know who do that thing, because the thing was coming from the US. The paper, I wish I can go inside now, go and bring the paper. The paper is from US. They just collect that money. That same day, within 20 minutes, they remove that money from my credit card. So my dear brothers and my sister, in case you see something like that in your phone, somebody sent email to you, or somebody sent link to you and said, click this link or share this link, you are going to get 200 euro instantly, or if you share this link, you are going to get a reward. Please guys, just ignore. Do not click anything. Don't click it. Even if they take 5 euro from you, or they take 1 euro from you, it's not easy to get 1 euro here. It's not easy. There are many people now, when the rain is falling, they are out there hustling. It's not easy. So please, let this video be something reasonable to you, okay? Do not click it. If they send message to you, and now we are in December now. Many people, many guys, they are out there. They know how they do it. These people, trust me guys, they are very practical. They are very practical. If you just click that link, or you follow the instruction, because they are going to send this message for you and said, follow the instructions. Once you follow that instructions, you will be very surprised how they will get your bank details, everything. That is what happened to me. This thing happened 2 weeks ago. 2 weeks ago, this thing happened to me. Okay, 2 weeks ago. So I was just like, because last week I was very busy, you know, going to work, come back, everything, focus on my family. I said, okay, I'm going to do this video today just to advise each and every one of you out there. Please, my people, one, they very careful. Yahoo people now, they are all over. Because somebody now, I don't even believe if this thing is coming from the US, because I saw it on paper. They said the people that did this is from the US. It might even be in Africa. Because all these Yahoo people, that is how they play their wings. That is how they do it. They might just be somewhere in Africa now. They will be using another thing just to to dupe other people. So 70 euro no be small money o. For Nigeria now, many government workers, they don receive 70 euro in a month. So that is it. 70 euro na money. So the thing, e later pay me. I say, I will say, I know that 70 euro now still give somebody now for Africa now they celebrate Christmas, or still they help all these children now when they still there for Nigeria, when they don't feel even eat 3 square meal a day. Now still something. The another person just come now when I don't just know from nowhere, he just come command the money for my account. The thing really pay me. So make this kind of thing not happen to now, okay? My husband really quarrel me. He says, "Sian, now big eye now in the worry you. How can you just imagine phone worth 1,400 euro? They said that, I think it's this iPhone 12. I don't even know safe. They said that you should pay 5 euro. They are going to give you congratulations. Between 5 days, you are going to receive it. How can you even believe that kind of bullshit? So I was like, it don't happen, it don't happen. Wait till you say make I do. So my husband really quarreled me. He warned me and said, look, be careful. And that advice when my husband they advised me, so he tell me say be careful of waiting you dey click on social media. Now I still carry on here now, beg make una dey very careful waiting una dey click on social media. If anybody send link for una, send message for una, if una know say una no get anything to do with that person, guys, look, if you know that you have nothing to do on that with that person, just wipe it. Don't just bother to click on. Okay, because word of nowadays now word of technology nowadays, so you can just click anything before you know your bank details. If you go back tomorrow, say you want to go withdraw money, you want to say money go Africa, they will tell you say look, oh, there is no money in your account. You'll be very disappointed. So now my people, thank you all guys for watching. Thank you till I come your way again with my vlogmas. Happy December to every one of you. Thank you all guys. Bye.